Let's tackle that frustrating cycle of quitting fitness apps and how we can finally fix it.
Crazy, right? The average person's fitness app habit completely dies in exactly 14 days.
We've all been there. You're staring at laundry, totally ready to skip leg day. Willpower just vanishes.
So why exactly do standard tools fail us the absolute second our internal motivation drops?
The culprit? Easily ignored, silent push notifications. The fix? A totally new paradigm of proactive voice calls.
Standard trackers are just passive dashboards. They literally just wait around, relying on you to initiate action.
But real, sustained routines require active accountability to finally bridge that gap between your intents and action. Enter IZEM. This completely shifts the whole paradigm from passive tracking to proactive AI coaching. Imagine your phone ringing. It's IZEM calling to actively adapt your workout on the fly before dinner.
IZEM is that premium middle ground. You get real, human-like accountability without the massive price tag.
Features like context memory and camera scanning for food or equipment create a truly dynamic coaching partnership.
True consistency means your app remembers your busy Tuesday or poor sleep and adapts your workout accordingly. Now, AI has limits. For treating injuries, medical concerns, or hands-on form correction, human professionals are absolutely necessary.
That initial 5-minute setup is vital. It builds a plan around your actual life, not some idealized version.
So pick one goal, set realistic days, take the IZEM call, scan your food, and hit that workout. Read the full explainer article or try IZEM for yourself today at youraicoach.life. I'll leave you with this. Do you really need another workout plan or a much better accountability partner?